In this video, we will be discussing about finding out the earning of the C. So let's see the question. A, B and C together earn rupees 500 per day, while A and 500 per day is the earning of A, B and C, and A and C together earn 320. Out of 500, A and C together 320 is their earning. B and C together earn rupees 350. We have to find the earning of C. This kind of question is quite similar in aptitude test, civil service aptitude test, CAT, GATE, etc. So for finding the earning of C, we have to find the earnings of A and B also. So B's daily earning, how can we calculate? Total earning is 500, it will be constant. 500 minus A and C together 320 is making. So B is not there. So 500 minus 320 we will get 180. That is B's daily earning. So similarly, we have to find A's daily earning. From 500, B and C together and 350. There is no A. So 500 minus 350 is rupees 150. So from that we can easily find C's daily earning will be 500 minus, we have to minus the earnings of A plus B, that is 180 plus 150. So total minus A plus B earning is equal to C's earning, that is rupees 170. This is in the option. So thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing.